This is Joel Dutton, real estate broker with Dutton Real Estate KW Commercial. We're here on site on Worcester Street at the corner, actually Worcester Street and State Route 21. We have the fortunate opportunity here to sell a couple of properties that was owned by Attorney Shedlar's here in town, long time attorney around town. He's also the solicitor on town. I served with him when I was on council for a couple of years. Real nice guy, just passed away. Have two houses right here. Like I said, 21 in Worcester Street here in the bar. This one here has a very good lot. Jack, if you want to just take a look up through here, it has this house on it that we've got some information from the Historical Society. Well, just give us a call at the Dutton 330-879-5000 and we can give you the information. But you can see back here where the other sign is, there's an alley in the back. So this property here actually has access on three different sides. And of course, get a picture here. This is just a real cute house. His wife was. You can see the screen. You can see the screen doors there. How nice they are, and they just had a new roof put on it. I'd never like to say new, but let's say an updated, newer roof. It's got these dog pens back here too.
Cool. Does that lot go all the way to the alley?
That lot goes. Those cars are parked on this lot here, so it goes all the way back to. There's an alley behind those three cars there, and of course the property you see there, that's on the north side of the alley, and the access for this lot here is on the south side of the alley. But just a real nice. I think architecturally, somebody's going to see a lot of opportunity here. Whether it's something you want to live, you own, Airbnb, or a business. There was an attorney's office here for many, many years. So you're right on 21, and I think there's probably some opportunity here for maybe this lot. I think this is a very nice lot on the corner. As you can see, it's not all used up with building. You got this house here, and of course, it appears to me, of course, you have to check on yourself, but it appears there's room here probably maybe to put another building up if that was what you wanted to do and get a lot of exposure here.
Bidding tomorrow live at 2 o'clock, and also you can bid on the phone or on your computer, but it'll be online. It'll be a live webcast.
Yep.
So give us a call if you have any questions. Joel, what's the phone number?
That's it. 330-879-5000.
See you at the auction.
All right, Jack.